If you're on a budget but want all of the simple programming the Waterlogix app provides on your Apple or Android smartphone, then this is the solution. It eliminates limescale, delivers spot-free dishes, glasses, and silverware, while giving you the whitest white clothes in your laundry that are never yellow, and vivid colors that don't fade. It protects everything your water touches, and your skin and hair will be amazing. Most importantly, it won't break the bank. This is a premium water softener that has a 7-year warranty on the resin, valve, and electronics. It's built with the 21st century homeowner in mind because it eliminates those primitive dinosaur programming buttons. Instead, it's programmed with the Waterlogix app available for free on your Apple or Android smartphone. It takes about 30 seconds and gives you all the info you need on your water usage: how many gallons a day, historical usage, when to add salt, and peak flow rates. It has only one moving part in the water stream. Now, I'm no mathematical genius, but I'm pretty sure 1 is the fewest number of moving parts you can have. That means it's incredibly reliable, and since it's low voltage, it only costs about $2 a year in electricity. If you want excellent quality but are on a budget, this is the system for you.